That is awesome DS Diamond Boat Holidays. This is a zinc install CICP of 2 inch and 3/4 shaft sinks, 2 R4 rudder zincs, and then your 2 divers plates on the backs. So the smallest ones we had at the dive locker are a little too big for this, but I've measured them at 5 3/4 inch long ways, 2 3/4 inch this way at the height. So I'm going to use those in the video, so whenever you go to watch this video, you'll be able to see exactly what I need to get put on here. But let's go look at the other zincs after we get done looking at these divers plates. And oh, it is October 25th, 2023. Oh boy, smacked my head real good down there. Okay. Alright, the first things I showed you, those are the ones on the diver plates on the back. The smallest ones I've seen up there. But once again, always a pleasure. Thanks for choosing DS Diamond.